Gonna give you a quick tour of the house. Walking in the front door. It's pretty dark. There's the living room. A new chocolate wall. Through the living room is the kitchen. There's the dining room, my favorite room. You walk through here. Turn on the light. We have a bathroom. Shower. Bidet, toilet, simple. Down there, basement there, laundry room here. There's the front door. Walk up the stairs. Walk up the stairs, we'll go right to left. And here the boys are watching Land of the Lost in the computer room. Still a lot of work to be done in here. Boys, say hi.
Hi.
What are you watching?
Land of the Lost.
Land of the Lost.
It's the end of the world.
That was way too fast.
Here's my bathroom. A big bathtub. My favorite. Every bathroom has a bidet, of course. Here's the guest bedroom. Balcony doors. Bed. Dresser. Next room is the boys' bathroom. Boys' shower. Everybody showers in there. I don't know why I called the boys' bathroom. And then the boys' bedroom. All the bedrooms still need curtains. And then our bedroom. We finally got some art, a little bit of our art hung. Chloe's bed. The TV for now until Matt's man room is done, and then that TV goes downstairs. And that's a quick tour of our house.